Okay, so I've done my brows because brows just takes too long to do, so I skipped that and I filled it in with the Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade in the shade, what's the shade? Ebony, and I used the NYX BB Cream, this to carve it. Yeah, I live in Australia and yeah, and it's not the start of the school, but like, why not do this video? So yeah, so my mirror is really dirty. I'm going to take this Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser and I'm just going to put that on my trouble areas. And also I bought the Aztec clay mask, Indian clay mask online, and it just, well, it hasn't arrived, but like I'm gonna pick it up from the post office tomorrow or something. So yeah, so after I do that I'm gonna take my Badescu. My favorite one is this one, the cucumber one, because I don't know, it just feels like really refreshing, which I like the most. And I should have sprayed that before the Maybelline, but like, that's okay. And then I have this empty Badescu facial spray, like that I finished, and I just have water in it. And I'm gonna just wet my sponge. And I'm going to take the NYX BB Cream in the shade Golden, and this is discontinued, which is so sad because this is like my favorite. It just matches me perfectly, and I'm just going to like put this everywhere, you know. I really want to get the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue one, because I feel like that will be good, and I've tried it before and it was really nice. And my skin has been pretty bad lately, but like, that's why I bought the Aztec clay mask, because that will kind of fix it a little bit. I don't know, we'll find out. I should make a video of that because I really want to. This BB cream is really light coverage, so like if you just want like something really light on your skin, you could use this, I guess. So I'm going to take the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer and I'm just going to like put that here, like an actual triangle, because we want good coverage, but like not like foundation and stuff, because this is just a school makeup look. And then I'm gonna conceal my eyelids as well. I don't use eye primer, so I just use this. It's like, it just gives me like a little bit of coverage, which is something that is good, that like I really like, because I don't really like really full coverage, because I don't know, I just feel uncomfortable with that. This camera makes me look uglier than I am. Like, that's not really a good thing, is it? Like, it's like the camera quality is so good that it makes me look bad. That's not good. I'm going to set my whole face with this translucent powder, and I'm just gonna use my sponge to just like put it everywhere. Like, we're not gonna bake our face, we're just going to like tap it, you know. Why do I look bad? I literally look really bad. What the heck is happening to my face? So that's well, okay, so then I'm gonna take like a brush like this brush and just like set my whole face. I look really weird right now because like I don't have bronzer and stuff. Okay, ow. So the next thing I'm going to do is take the Nars bronzer. Don't worry, at the end of this video I'm gonna look decent. Don't worry. Like in the middle of makeup, like on the way to looking great, I look the ugliest. That's just real life. So don't be a hassle Russell. Okay, so the next thing is nose contour, because you cannot miss nose contour. And like I just put the bronzer as my eyeshadow because no time. Like when you go to school, there's literally no time for proper eyeshadow. So you just do that. Look, you just really like, you just look really bronze. Like I just got out of the beach. I just got out of Hawaii and I'm ready to go back to school. Okay, so let's put blush. I'm gonna use the Orgasm blush. That's what it's called. Who names the products in Nars? Like they have like really crazy stuff. And I put it on my nose as well. I don't know why, but I just like the look of that. Okay, so I'm really like nearly finished. So the next thing is eyes, like lashes. So I'm just gonna put this on. Like I just got this from Wish, Aliexpress Wish, and I'm just gonna put it on. Okay, so after a while I have done my lashes and like it just looks, I don't know, it just looks fine. I'm going to take the Great Lash Mascara, the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara, and then I'm just going to like coat my lashes. Okay. Am I in focus? No, of course I'm not in focus, of course. I'm going to take this foundation brush and then I'm going to wet it with water. Just plain water because like. And then I'm going to take the Maybelline Masterchrome highlighter in the shade 100 Molten Gold. And I'm just going to take some and put that here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but like, whoa, that's a bit too much. Okay. And then on the left side, oh, there you go, you can see in this angle. This thing is lips, and I'm taking this Essence lip gloss and I'm just going to like, this is like my favorite like drugstore lip gloss because it's like, it's not glittery, it's not like shimmery, like you know those glosses that have like little glitters in them. Like this lip gloss is like, it's like glossy, it's not like glittery, it's like gloss. And I like the look of like having like a kind of like a gold highlighter on the Cupid's bow, and then you have a lip gloss that looks so good. And that's just how I like it. So that's one coat, and that is a back to school makeup look. And some of you might not wear this much. Like I don't think I'll wear it like this much. Like I probably wouldn't wear this much, but some of you might wear this much makeup. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and yeah, bye.